Family room, kitchen, and breakfast nook all open up to each other, so my designs had to be inviting, cohesive, and of course, gorgeous. Here in the family room, I wanted to go for an industrial chic vibe, but still make it totally livable. For the seating in this space, I wanted to go all neutral. There's this creamy white fabric I use on the sofa and the chairs, and it plays so well with the texture of this cable knit rug. The story in here is all about touchable fabrics. And for the lighting, art, and accessories, I did a complete 180. It's all about pieces with modern edge and metal detail. Those modern details are also seen on the faux steel beams and the metal facade on the fireplace. On the other side of the family room is this equally dramatic kitchen. In here, it's all about the black and white contrast. Here at the island, you can see that contrast being made with these bold crossback stools. This extra long island has a large matte black sink and matching sleek faucet. Overhead, industrial pendant lights are the perfect complement. One of my favorite features in this kitchen is this black and white geometric tile. It adds an element of fashion in an unexpected way. It looks so sharp against these beige linen cabinets. I finished off the cabinets with these dramatic, oversized pulls to make this space even more memorable. There's also tons of thoughtfully built out cabinets, making storage, organization, and cooking convenient and easy in here. There's even an area built in that functions as the pantry. And just over here is the breakfast nook. I surrounded the table with a mix of seating, including chairs and this long, comfy banquette. I added pillows and a throw just to make the space feel more punched up and livable. There's even room for a coffee and beverage bar. And best of all, this breakfast room is flooded with natural light. The main spaces are meant to be ideal for everyday living with a lot of modern conveniences mixed in.